Get your taste buds ready for a world where comfort, heat, and flavor come together. Join us as we dive into a piping hot tomato soup recipe complemented with a perfect golden crust grilled cheese. Let's make some tomato soup. Start by melting 3 tablespoons of butter on medium heat in a chip-resistant pot. Then add 3 cups of finely chopped yellow onion and saute until they become translucent. Add 4 chopped garlic cloves and stir together for about 1 minute. Then add 56 ounces of crushed tomato, 2 cups of chicken broth, 2 teaspoons of dried basil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Give it a quick stir and then bring the heat and the flavor with about 1 ounce of our El Yucateco habanero and chiltepin. Then stir, cover, and simmer for about 10 minutes at low heat. You can now choose to leave this chunky or use an immersion blender to smooth it out. Finish it off with a half cup of heavy cream, 1/3 cup fresh Parmesan. Give it a quick stir and serve it up with a golden melty grilled cheese sandwich. Till next time, don't forget to kick up all your recipes with the king of flavor. See you on the next one.